Shot around here, we put it together. But we finna show y'all one of our first projects we working on right here. Check this out. Yeah, you see it. You see it. It'll be fully functional in a minute.
Yeah.
This engine right here. Don't nobody know what type of engine this is. I'm gonna tell you what type of engine this is. You ever seen Texas Chainsaw Massacre? This one of them chainsaw engines they had on there.
Kill you up, chop you up.
30 cc, 33 cc power.
Number of torque.
Number of torque. We're gonna put this up against an 80 cc engine. We got this in the corner too right here waiting on you. Next time we come out, we're gonna show you this right here. It's gonna have a Harley Davidson engine on it. Until next time.